You know, your desktop is kind of like your digital home base, right? But does it really feel like yours? Today, we're going to dive into one of the easiest and honestly most satisfying ways to personalize your Windows experience, and that's mastering your desktop icons. Let's make that digital space truly your own.
So, are you ready to give that desktop a fresh new look? I mean, if you're tired of staring at that same old default recycle bin every single day, then yeah, you are definitely in the right place. Let's get right into the fun stuff, giving your desktop a total visual refresh. All right, first up, let's talk about the fun part, how to actually change your desktop icons. We're going to go way beyond the default look, and I'll walk you through exactly how to give those key icons, like this PC or the recycle bin, a complete makeover. Okay, so here's the game plan, and it's super straightforward. First, you're going to head over to your settings. From there, you'll click on Personalization and then Themes. Now, once you're in there, you're looking for something called Desktop Icon Settings. Just think of this little spot as your command center for all things icons. You just pick the one you want to change, hit that Change Icon button, and then you can browse through a bunch of new options. It's really that simple. But hey, here's the pro tip for you. Don't just stop with the default options. See that Browse button? That is where the real magic happens. This little button is your ticket to using pretty much any icon you can find or even create yourself. Got a cool icon pack you downloaded? Or maybe a logo you designed? As long as it's an icon file, you can use it. This just blows the doors wide open for personalization.
Okay, but what if you get a little carried away and you decide you want to go back to the original look? Or maybe you just start to miss that classic Windows feel? Well, no worries at all. Windows actually has a built-in safety net for this exact situation.
Seriously, if you've changed your mind, it's even easier to switch back. And that's the best part, right? It means there's absolutely zero risk. You can go wild, try out all sorts of new looks, and just know that the original is always just a couple of clicks away. And the process is just so simple. You go right back to that same desktop icon settings screen we were just at, you pick the icon you changed, and this time you just click Restore Default, hit OK, and boom, you're right back to that familiar classic Windows look. It's basically a one-click undo button.
So what's the big takeaway here? It's that you can personalize without any fear. Windows gives you all the tools you need, not just to create a look you love, but also to undo it in a flash. That gives you the freedom to really experiment and make your computer feel like yours without ever worrying about messing things up permanently.
When you look at it, it really just boils down to this. On one hand, changing your icons is just a few simple steps to make your PC feel more personal. And on the other hand, restoring them is even easier, so you can, and you should, experiment without any worry at all. Go for it.
Which brings us to the final question for you. Now that you're in control, what are you going to customize first? Are you finally going to swap out that old recycle bin icon? Or maybe give this PC a whole new look? The desktop is your canvas. Go have some fun with it.